in this question, we have a triangle ABC right angled at C. Let us first take the figure. Triangle ABC right angled at the point C. This angle is 90. So let us start writing given. Here angle C is equals to 90 degree. Right? A line through the midpoint M of hypotenuse AB. That means M is the midpoint. So AM is equals to BM. Midpoint means exactly at the center of the line. AM is equals to BM. Parallel to BC, intersect AC at D. He says if we draw a line through M midpoint parallel to the base BC, intersect AC at the point D. That means he wants to say that MD is parallel to BC and it is intersecting AC at the point D. Right? So this is what we are given in this question. Now to prove. There are three things which are required to be proved. First thing, D is the midpoint of AC. That means we have to prove that AD is equals to CD. This is first thing we are supposed to prove. Second, MD is perpendicular to AC. MD is perpendicular to AC. That means angle 1 is equals to 90, or we can say directly MD is perpendicular to AC. Third thing which we have to prove here is CM equal AM is equals to half of AB. CM equal AM is equals to half of AB. Okay? So CM equal AM is equals to half. Let us now join CM. हम join कर लेते हैं CM. So we have to prove that CM length is equals to AM length and this is half of AB. So these three things I am supposed to prove here. Let us now prove. The first thing, AD is equals to CD. बेटा देखो यहाँ पर M midpoint है, MD BC के parallel है, तो definitely AD will be equals to BC. ठीक है? M is midpoint of AB. This is given in the question. Also, MD is parallel to BC. All these things are given. So by converse of BPT यही तो कहती है कि अगर हम मिड पॉइंट से बेस के पैरेलल कोई लाइन ड्रॉ करें तो वो उस लाइन को मिड पॉइंट पर मीट करेगी. AD is equals to DC. First part is proved. For the second part, we have to prove that MD is perpendicular to AC. Now see here, अगर ये मिड पॉइंट है तो और ये लाइन पैरेलल भी है. So suppose angle C and angle, this is angle 2. Angle 2 is equals to angle C. Why angle 2 is equals to angle C? We have MD. These are corresponding angles. Very good. These are corresponding angles because MD is parallel to BC. So angle 2 is equals to angle C. Then after this, if these are corresponding angles, so angle C is equals to 90 degree. It means angle 290 ho gaya, right? If angle 2 is 90, then it implies MD is perpendicular to AC. MD is perpendicular to the second part is also proved very easily. Now for the third part, we have to prove that CM length is equals to AM length is equals to half of AB. So for this, let us consider two triangles. First triangle is this, triangle ADM. And second triangle is this, triangle ADM and triangle CDM. And we will prove these triangles as congruent. D is given the midpoint. Therefore, AD length is equals to CD length because D is proved above. ये हम already prove कर चुके हैं. Also, DM is equals to DM. This is common. And also, angle 1 is equals to angle 1. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 is equals to 90 degrees. This is also proved, right? So this length, this angle, and this side, these triangles are congruent by which property? Side angle side. These triangles are congruent by side angle side. If triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. This implies AN side is equals to CM side. These are corresponding. This implies AM is equals to CM, right? But we already know that M is the midpoint of AB. If M is the midpoint, that means we can write AB as what? AM as what? Half of AB. Because M is the midpoint. So we can write this also equals to half of AB because M is midpoint.